Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can recreate this super cute like Hello Kitty vibe outfit on Dress to Impress. So I'm just going to use these shoes, but you can use any shoes that you would like to. So go to the dressing rooms because you'll need to be in here for a while. Select this outfit and then I'm just going to make that matte and white and select the top only toggle. For the second one, you're going to color it denim blue. I just used this color. Might make it a little bit brighter, and I'm going to use the denim toggle. So that's also for the buttons, and on the third toggle, we're going to use this kind of bright red in silk. Okay. Next, we are going to go to the coats and we're going to select the skirt. Color the first one blue. I might make that a little bit lighter than the blue denim that we have. And I'm going to color it denim as well, but I'm just going to make it lighter. Then on the second one, you're going to color it red. The third one, you're going to use this pattern here. And then the fourth one, I'm just going to color it this color. Then we are going to use this top here, top only, and then we're going to color it the same and denim. And then we are going to use this code item, and we're going to color the first one white, the second one red, the third one yellow. I'm going to just find a pastel yellow and I'll save that color. The fourth one in blue. I'll do that. And then the fifth one in the red color. So that is it for the code item. For the one outside, we are going to use these jeans here in the same like blue color. Like that. Then we're going to add this belt in yellow and in white and matte like this. And then for the top, we are going to use this one in that same denim blue. Then for the like arms, we're going to use this in this like cheetah pattern. Then for the bag, we are going to use the one from the Christmas advent calendar. So like the elbow one, and I'm just going to color a brighter red in glitter. And then the second one, I'm just going to color that yellow. And that is it. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. I did forget to put this on. I'm so sorry. In denim blue, and then in yellow, and then in white for the rest. Now we're done. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.